Okay, this is phase 3. So the last one, they're still pretty slow movements, but they're really going to set you up because I'm going to kind of flip you. We're going to do some things on tabletop before we go laying on our back. So go ahead and get into your, on all fours like this. We're just going to do a few cat-cows to stretch and so that you can connect to your pelvis there. So it's almost like doing those pelvic tilts, but doing them full body. So you're going to flex up from the spine. Okay, so inhale. And then exhale. Using that exhale to bring up, and then inhale. Exhale. And really using your spine. You don't want to be moving this upper body, but really if you see the rounding in my back, how that's coming. Okay, so one more of those. Remember your breathing from your rib cage there. Okay, on the inhales, you're expanding. Sorry, this is all messed up. So, okay, the first one we're going to do is the bird dog. So I'm going to kind of progress you up with this. So we're just going to move our legs first, and then we're going to add the whole moment. So you're going to inhale, exhale, put your leg back. Pretend that you have those tray of marbles are right here, okay, on your back now. So you're not moving, you're really working from that core. You're not doing this, okay? There's none of that. Now we're going to try the opposite leg. Keeping your hips level, that tray of marbles, you don't want to move it. As you can tell, you're not moving your arms yet, and this is advanced, guys. This hurts. Go back to the other one. We're going to do 2 more on this side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, expand. Exhale. Now bring it in. Okay. Also be mindful, you don't want to be overextending your elbows. You want them turned. You'll really feel the change in your triceps and your shoulder muscles, okay? Now we're going to put the leg out and the arm together. All right? So let's do this. Inhale, expand. Exhale. You can keep it here or you can bring it up. Now do that again. Same side. Like I said, maybe you're only going here and that's okay. We're going to do 2 more. Remember, you're keeping that core tight, the connection, the whole time. Breathe and release that. Now we're going to do the opposite side. You're doing that core belly pumps, the active. So you're keeping the lower abdominals engaged, but when you inhale, you're inhaling the whole 360 up here. So it's okay. You might slide, just readjust. Exhale. We're going to do 3 more. Do it, guys. Feel the burn. And down. Whew. All right. This next move, feel free to stretch it if you need to. Take a nice stretch. Is a bear. So what we're going to do, you're going to stay in this quadruped move, and it's going to be very subtle. Make sure your toes are curled under, and you're going to inhale, and on the exhale, you're also going to lift your knees. Okay, if you are seeing any coning or doming in your abdomen, you're not connecting. So release, try it again. If you still cannot do this move, just stay on here and really focusing on working that core, okay? But if you've practiced phase 1 and 2 properly, you should be able to be at this point. So inhale and then exhale. And you're going to hold it there for 5. Inhale. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Remember, your back, you still have those marbles there, okay? So you don't want to be doming, you're still flat. We're going to do that 2 more times for a 5 count, okay? So inhale. When you're ready, exhale. 4. 3. 2. Last one. And down. I'm going to challenge you on this last one to pick up your hand and tap your knee, okay, if you're feeling up for it. So, you're going to inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, tap, inhale, tap, tap. So subtle, you guys, so subtle. Inhale, tap. Inhale. Let's do one more. And down. Excellent. So now we're going to go over on our back. So you guys get a little break. We're going to do a leg lift and then a leg push. So again, making sure your shoulders are down and back. Okay, so we're going to put our legs out straight. Okay, and we're going to get in that crunch motion. So inhaling, exhaling up. As you're up here, exhaling, you're going to lift your leg. Just one. Inhaling down. Keeping that constant as your head is up. So lifting the next leg. Exhale. And down. Inhale. Exhale. If at any point you need to be here, rest. Take a few with your neck down, that's fine. So inhaling. Exhaling. That tray of marbles is here. Excellent. And if you're ready, you can pick up your head again. We're going to do 5 more. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. And release. Woohoo! All right, last but not least, this is going to be a little bit more advanced with the leg pushes. So what you're going to do is bring your knees up, and you're going to bring your head up, exhaling, inhale, and then push it out, like you're pushing a block away from you, and then back in. Inhale, push, exhale. Inhale, keeping that connection here, guys. And again, same. If you need to rest your head and start here, that's okay too. You don't want to be jerking, so make sure you're in a good place to be here. And we're going to do 5 more. Tight. 4, 3, last one, and release. You did it. Now you're almost ready. You should be ready, actually. Not almost ready. You should be ready to start picking up on planks. I have a blog post on plank progressions if you need more about that, which you can find all those links in your program here. But that's really the most. And before you do planks, understanding that you should be being able to do that bird dog with the arm and the leg lifting completely before you progress to that next level. So I'm so glad that you joined me for this, and keep at it. You can use these moves for any other exercises in any fitness program that you're doing. You can use any of these to modify from phase 1 to phase 3. You can go back to phase 1 at any point in time that you feel that you need to, okay? Don't feel that like just because you are on phase 3 now, you can't go back. Always go back. You always go back to make that connection.